Welcome back to Aiken's Outdoor Adventures. I am Anthony Aikens, and today we're going to talk about the MSR Pocket Rocket. The MSR Pocket Rocket is our go-to cook stove for our outdoor adventures. It burns good, it burns on a low simmer, or it can be flaming hot. It works really good at all different altitudes, from Florida to Colorado to high winds to low winds to any situation you can about think of. This stove rocks. This stove weighs 26 ounces. It's 1.3 by 1.7 by 3.1 inches, so it's pretty compact. Has a 3-year limited warranty and a burn time of 60 minutes. That's insane. We're gonna take 2 cups of water and we're gonna put it in one of my titanium pots from Boundless Voyager, and we're gonna fire this thing up and see how long it takes to boil. Alright guys, so we just boiled 2 cups of water in 2 minutes and 33 seconds in my titanium pot. We are roughly at 700 feet of elevation here in Missouri, and I gave it a turn and a half on the dial for the heat. Now it goes way higher than that, but for this experiment, we didn't really have to have it blasting. That's pretty good time in my opinion. You're not gonna use a lot of gas. There's also no wind in our studio, so that helps. Yes, I have a fire extinguisher, so just calm down there, all right, here, just calm down. The stove also comes with this nifty little container right here, which the stove and a mini Bic easily fit inside. I love this thing. It does have a couple holes here on the bottom, so if any kind of moisture gets in there, it can get out. If you like this video on the MSR Pocket Rocket, hit that like button, share it, follow us, subscribe to our channel. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And if you could, just send us a message. Send us a comment, something like that. If you're a new subscriber, let us know. We will send you a sticker. And if you're an old subscriber, let us know on the YouTube page that you're an old subscriber, you've been with us for a while, and I got something special to send to you. So, thanks for watching our video, guys. Check you later.